Oh! Jesus. That scared me. Okay. This a Minions horror game? I thought that was some dude for a second. Well, it was, but... You know! I still can't get over that. What's this? Da! 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 What? This is terrible. This is terrible! Yo! Who are you? Hey! I'm out. I'm out! Come at me! Yo! Freak out of here! Reload, 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 reload! Back up! Get out of here! You think you want to run? It's another guy! There's two of them! Oh, he dead. What he got? He is dead. That sucker took 3 shots to the brain. He's still on me? Reload! Take it! Take that! Yup! Oh my god! 14 bananas? Yo. What? Oh! Oh! I swear to God, what the freak was that? What is this game? How long does your neck have to be? Reload. Yo! How do y'all sneak up on me like that? Did y'all hear that? He's like, yeah! But still. What? Oh! I can't hear him at all. How? How? Lay down! Yup, sit down. Yeah! Here, give me in here. Hey! He got in! How? How do they know how to play this game? Did y'all hear that death sound effect? We should play this one. It's the same thing. This is the same thing. I still can't get over that sound. I can't. What? Listen to this. How am I supposed to focus that? Ah! What does that even do? Where? You see how he come out of the shadows? Be over here. Oh, we open the door? Oh! He went through the door! Did you see him come out of the wall? Tell me. No! But that's our first banana. 13, 13, 13. I don't get the rock over here, the blood over here to this minion who's about the size of a bean. And where's your roof at? How am I supposed to find 13 more bananas? It took me 10 minutes to find one. Like, did y'all sacrifice this dude? What is that? Oh, that's making dents? Oh, no. To sacrifice something. No! No! Oh! Lay down! I am dead! I am dead! You just stop right there? Y'all see how powerful I am? He ain't even doing nothing. I think I killed him. See, he's not doing nothing. Is he smiling? I'm about to go on top of this dude. Oh! What? 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 Where did this go? He sent me to the shadow realm. I think he's under the map right now. This is the best game ever. Okay. Who are you? Who are you? Why is there another pair of hands in front of me? Oh my god! I'm lagging out right now. Yo, just look at my hands. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? Duh! Huh! Oh, banana? Already? Yo. Nah, we're not about to do all the searching. If we have to look through the grass and keep up with these dudes, another one? Oh, he's going for that dude? He's going for my other pair of hands. It's another... He just came out of nowhere. Respawn. Oh, yeah. We about to beat this game. E. What? What just happened? What? Can someone explain for me? I don't know what's happening right now. I'm about to leave this. Yo! I'm the guy? Where are you at? Give me that. It's easy. Snow map. Yeah. This looks fun. 20 bananas! Y'all made it easy for me to not to do this? Yeah, they gotta be one here. I don't like this. I don't like this. Just give me... What's happening? Just give me my food and I'm out of here. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Pull up to the thrift shop. I ain't Macklemore. Give me another shot. Bang. Hey. Hey. No. We not about to do that. Can we go up here? Oh! Yo! We could just get out of here? Like that? Y'all have to make it so hard and then I could just do this? Oh yeah. There ain't even nobody around. How am I supposed to play this game? Ooh. Oh! Y'all hear that? That beat is fire. I'm about to call up your boy. Y'all ready? Let's do. Bro, put your freaking mic off. On! What? Are you playing Fortnite right now?
No. I don't Fortnite.
This dude is doing a rave right now.
Shut your bitch ass up. Calling me like 5
care that you are do not disturb, okay? Get on the
Nah,
PC before I make you.
I'm sleeping, Jit.
You're sleeping through that? What's happening? Shooting in your neighborhood? Jesus.
I'm concentrating, say you love me, girl, you were playing